Hi, Via. My name is Mark Tono Brian, as usual. In this video, I'm going to show you a very rare new kind of game, which is being played by the youth or the kids in our place. It's a kind of game where empty plastic bottles are packed with soil, then many of them are lined up in equal number. Like if the other side is 6, this side will also be 6. Then your task will be to shoot at the bottle which are on the ground. The more you shoot and the more you win. The first person to make sure that all the bottles are shot down by one of the bottle being thrown becomes the winner. Thank you very much for watching this video. May I request you to subscribe and bye bye. Have a nice time. As I wait to meet you in another video.